Welcome to our channel, your trusted guide for honest and in-depth product reviews. Here, we test and analyze the latest gadgets, tools, and everyday essentials to help you make informed decisions. Expect clear insights, pros and cons, and expert opinions tailored to your needs. Subscribe now and join us on the journey to smarter shopping. Best Budget 3D Printers for Beginners 2025. Number 1. Comgrow Printing. Experience blazing fast 3D printing with an advanced machine capable of reaching speeds up to 600 mm per second and acceleration of 20,000 mm/s superscript 2. 12 times faster than typical printers. Designed for creators who demand both speed and precision, it offers a generous build volume of 8.66 by 8.66 by 9.84 inches, ideal for rapid prototyping or detailed model creation. Arriving fully assembled and tested, setup is a breeze, just plug in and power on. The intuitive interface and smartphone-like boot-up guide get you printing in minutes. Thanks to intelligent auto-calibration, including auto-Z offset, leveling, and input shaping, you can start a print with a single tap and walk away, skipping the usual setup hassle. The clog-free direct extruder features a titanium alloy heat break and steel-tipped copper nozzle that handles carbon fiber and high-temperature filaments up to 300 degrees Celsius with ease. A redesigned cooling system ensures crisp, clean prints. Hot end, part, and auxiliary fans work together to prevent heat creep and improve layer bonding. Enhanced with smart AI capabilities, including a camera that detects print failures and captures time-lapse, this machine brings reliability and intelligence to every print. Whether for professional or personal use, it offers convenience, power, and quality in one sleek package. Number 2. FLASHFORGE Effective. Engineered for speed and precision, this high-performance 3D printer features a robust Core XY all-metal structure capable of reaching travel speeds up to 600 mm per second and 20,000 mm/s superscript 2 acceleration. It reduces print times by over 70%, making it perfect for users who value efficiency without compromising quality. Designed with home users in mind, it delivers industrial-grade capabilities in a compact form. A powerful 32 mm superscript 3/s high-flow nozzle heats to 200 degrees Celsius in just 35 seconds, ensuring smooth extrusion and exceptional detail, even during high-speed prints. Built-in vibration compensation minimizes print resonance, enhancing model clarity. With one-click automatic leveling and a dual-sided PI platform, achieving flawless first layers and easy model removal is effortless. The printer supports multiple platform types for versatile printing scenarios. Dual-channel cooling fans provide superior thermal management, while interchangeable nozzles, 0.25 to 0.8 mm, allow seamless transitions between high-precision and high-efficiency modes. Compatible with a wide range of filaments, including carbon fiber composites, it adapts to both creative and functional projects. Smart connectivity through the FlashMaker app enables real-time monitoring, remote parameter adjustments, and file transfers, especially when paired with the optional camera kit, bringing intelligent control to your fingertips. Number 3. Longer 3D printers. Built with a reinforced triangular structure, this FDM 3D printer offers enhanced stability and precision by reducing resonance during high-speed operations. Ideal for home DIY and educational use. With an impressive build volume of 11.8 inches by 11.8 inches by 15.7 inches, 300 by 300 by 400 millimeters, it provides ample space for ambitious prints and supports a wide range of filament materials. Equipped with advanced firmware and X/Y-axis automatic calibration, it delivers high-speed printing up to 180 millimeters per second with outstanding 0.1 millimeters precision, producing detailed and accurate models. The upgraded 32-bit mainboard supports intelligent features, such as filament depletion detection and auto-resume printing after power loss, minimizing disruptions and material waste. A silicon carbide lattice glass bed ensures even heating and strong adhesion, while a Teflon tube allows smooth filament flow. Dual cooling fans rapidly cool printed layers for consistent quality. The ultra-quiet TMC2209 driver ensures silent operation, while open-source firmware gives users flexibility to customize with G-code and explore new techniques. Arriving 90% pre-assembled, it's easy for beginners to set up and start printing quickly. Backed by 24-hour professional customer service, this printer offers reliability, performance, and support for creators at every level. Number 4. HEPHI3D Beginners. Perfect for beginners and hobbyists, this compact 3D printer arrives fully assembled and ready to use right out of the box. It features a smart wireless printing experience through a dedicated mobile app, offering one-click slicing and cloud printing from a smartphone or tablet. No complex setup required. A vast online model library makes it easy to get started, making it a thoughtful gift for adults and kids alike. Compatible with popular slicing software like Comgrow, Prusa Slicer, YBuilder, and even Chromebook-based Kiri, it also supports USB transfers and custom G-code commands thanks to its fully open-source design. With an upgraded motherboard, printing is ultra-quiet at just 40 to 50 dB, while the boosted CPU ensures smoother, faster performance up to 200 millimeters per second. Auto-leveling with dual-axis alignment eliminates manual calibration, and resume print functionality allows seamless recovery from power outages. The flexible PI-coated magnetic bed heats up to 60 degrees Celsius, ensuring excellent adhesion and easy model removal. Enhanced by a PTFE-lined filament path and an efficient cooling system with 6 heat-dissipating sheets and a high-speed fan, it delivers reliable, clog-free printing. Ideal for creative projects, education, and light prototyping, this printer combines ease of use with surprising capability in a space-saving design. Number 5. GIANTARM Leveling. Designed for speed, precision, and ease of use, this compact 3D printer is an excellent choice for beginners, students, and hobbyists alike. Featuring a high-capacity nozzle, a powerful 50W hot-end heating rod, and efficient heat dissipation, it ensures stable, reliable prints with a top speed of up to 250 millimeters per second, helping users save time without compromising quality. The direct drive extruder utilizes a dual-drive metal gear with a 1:5 ratio, delivering strong torque and high extrusion force for smooth, accurate prints, especially with flexible filaments like TPU and PLA. Despite its small footprint, it offers a practical print volume of 3.94 inches by 4.33 inches by 3.94 inches, and even includes a filament holder design for 1 kilogram spools. With 16-point full auto-leveling and a heated magnetic PI build plate, users benefit from consistent adhesion, reduced warping, and effortless model removal. The fully assembled design and intuitive knob operation make setup a breeze. Just insert a TF card, load filament with one button, and start printing. A 2.4 color LCD and built-in lighting enhance visibility and control. Whether for personal projects, educational use, or creative gifting, this printer combines functionality, simplicity, and fun in one smart package. If you enjoy this video, like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more interesting videos like this.